Hey guys, like I promised, here we are outside to test the planes that I printed last week with lightweight PLA Ultrafoam. In my hands, I have the usual cast that you have seen already. One is 3D printed with normal settings and the other one is printed with the special settings that allows the PLA to foam, therefore become lighter. In fact, this one is 25 grams and this one is barely 8 grams. So let's test our planes. Here they are. One is 3D printed in normal PLA, the other one is 3D printed with the normal settings with lightweight PLA Ultrafoam, and the last one is actually printed with the special settings. I'm going to try to throw them around this area right here and see which one flies better. Hopefully this one, the lighter one, should be the winner, but let's see. Let's start with the PLA, which is going to be the heaviest one. Let's try to throw it this way. Fail. Let's try again. Yeah, total fail. So this one is pretty heavy, but let's try that again. Yeah. Next up, we have lightweight PLA Ultrafoam, but with normal settings, which is a little bit heavier, but it should glide a little better. Let's try it. Whoa, that went really well. Let's try that again. Let's give it one more try. That went even further than before, so that's a really good sign. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna throw it again. And even further than before, but that's why I'm throwing it like that, so it will glide a little more. But with this one, which is like 3-4 grams lighter than the other one, it should glide a little more. So fingers crossed, and let's see. Test one. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. So the plane with the special settings, it glides really well. It's like 3-4 grams lighter than the other one, which is really a tiny bit, because you can see it's really thin. There is no much material here, so the test is a little bit tricky, but let's try it again. Wow, even further. Let's throw it one more time, but I want to do the other way because there is more space and maybe we can get a really nice footage of this one. Let's give it a go. So here in front of me, there is a lot of space, like it's massive. So let's give it a go. Not bad. I think I threw it too hard, so let's try a little softer and maybe it will glide a little more because there's a lot of space. Let's give it a go. Okay, one more time and then we go back to the studio and I'm gonna show you the special settings to make it lighter. Back in the studio, let's open our slicer, and on the left we can see our plane, but the settings are a little bit different. This is Spectrum Lightweight Ultrafoam normal settings, which if we can open the filament settings, we can see that the flow ratio is set to 1 and the nozzle temperature is set to 215 degrees Celsius, and for other layers too, and the max volumetric speed is set to default by 12. And then on my right we have Spectrum Lightweight Ultrafoam, but with the special settings. If we open our filament settings right here, we can see that the flow ratio is set to 0.3, and that's what makes the difference, and I'm going to show you in a second. Also, the nozzle temperature must be set to 250 degrees Celsius, but that's not it. On the left here in the speed tab, we can set all the speeds to 200 mm per second, and that will print normally. But on the right, with the special settings, we need to set all the speeds to 15 mm per second, 15. All of them, and that's what will make the difference. In fact, if we slice the models 1 and then 2, we can see right here at the top that says 4 grams, almost 5 grams, and on the right it says almost 2 grams. And that's the flow ratio and the speed doing their magic. And therefore we have 3 grams of difference in the model. As you saw in the test, it makes it glide way better. And that's it for today's video. If you want to try this filament for yourself, well, the link is going to be in the description below. Make sure to stay tuned because next week I'm going to show you the helmets that I 3D printed, the Mandalorian one, with the same filament. And I'm going to show you the benefits of printing with lightweight PLA, especially for cosplay or helmets or things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Wednesday.